What's up, traders? Market is pushing higher. With liquidity at 54.15 is going to be taken. And then we see. And here we go. Unless we have, of course, some tweet again. It's the same time like yesterday. We saw the tweet that spiked 50 points higher in yes. And here we go. 54.15 is coming. No matter what. Then we see. 53.85 is liquidity to the downside. Whatever comes first, we are gonna trade it. Oops. But I think 15 is coming. It's just 10 pips. If we see 85 first, I will buy it. Of course. But I'm pretty much sure it won't. And here we go. Come on. Market is not frozen. Frozen are my ice cubes, the ice cubes in my coffee. Good morning, Milo. We are also above the VWAP. Okay, let me anchor the new VWAP. US time. What's it looking like? I think bullish. Every dip is getting bought. You see here I took the stop higher again. Maybe we try to take this liquidity down here to 80.85 and then higher again. But I see buyers are pushing, they are strong. They are in control. They couldn't even close the gap from yesterday. Sellers. Nothing can stop stocks. Nothing. Only way is up. Come on, Trump, I challenge you. Give us a dip to buy. And to be honest, I would prefer the dip to buy first than rip higher, because I see the book now is getting filled with liquidity up here, up to 30. So ideally I would like to see a move lower, take some stops here, take the liquidity, see some big icebergs,
Iceberg ESM 5
and then go
CME
higher.
sell at 5409 crossed 100.
Those icebergs up here, I don't know what is the purpose. Some 50% crash, yes. Trump is better than 50%. 50 cent. Come on, bears! Give it to me! Now we are breaking the US session VWAP. We are trying, at least. It reminds me yesterday's session exactly, when we had the spike higher. Then of course market dipped. Maybe we'll see the opposite today. Gold also is consolidating. Here is the consolidation, and maybe we are gonna move higher as well here. NQ pushing higher, plenty of liquidity to be taken here, 920, up to 920, this area here. And here we go, 15 is coming in S&P as said. I will try to sell it. Okay. $15 sold. I don't like it. I don't like that we are going higher now. I was hoping to take the liquidity down here. Okay, we are short, but I don't like it. 54 area, 5400 now area is Come on now, don't go higher before I buy. This liquidity up here at 54.30 is very lucrative for the bulls. The trend is clear to the upside. We broke again the VWAP. Why? Okay. I have one micro short at 15, but I wanna see the big drop. Test here this VWAP from a London session to go long.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 54.20 volume 83. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at
Here we see the stops to the upside.
0 for volume 51.
Market is ripping higher, cannot hold. 30 is coming. Come on. I'm not adding to the micro short. I will wait at least to break the big WAP. Currently at 12. No news matters now except the tariffs. Market doesn't care about anything else. We see the iceberg here, you see it? Let's see. We are in the top of the opening range.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,423.6 volume 192.
Buyers are taking all the bear shorts. Let's see. Clear price action to the upside. 30 is coming, 35. I might add one micro at 30, 32 to average down and buy back at 10. Because we were caught short.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 54.25 cross 100. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,426.29 volume 157.
Those buyers are aggressive. They are taking out the icebergs. Let's see here at 30 now, 32. We are approaching the yesterday's levels, highs. Let's see, we saw some sellers appearing up here.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 54.30, volume 64.
We see some profit taking up here. Okay, let's add one more micro.
Order filled.
Market stopped exactly at 32 in the previous rip. So this time I will move the sell order at 33. I will join those sellers up here. Okay. Let's see if we break now 20, we're gonna move lower to 10. We see some exhaustion buyers. Unless of course we make a new high and take the 40. And here we go again. Challenge 19,000 in Nasdaq. But I'm gonna sell ES at 33. Actually, why 33? 35 up here. I'm actually DCAing. I'm not so keen to shorts. I wanna buy the dips. But we see the green dots buyers insist. They are lifting the offers.
Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,432.2 volume.
Yeah, we
88.
see the stops. Give me 35 now. Come on. Stopped at 34. Also, market makers were caught short in this move higher. That's why they are bidding now at 2022 to take back those liquidity that they gave at 30. If you understand how the game is played. But the aggressors insist, they are lifting the offers. So market makers are now back to the VWAP. You won't find this analysis anywhere else, guys. It's a little bit advanced, but I was market maker in the government bonds for many years. It's not an easy job. Now we are at the yesterday's level 35.40. That's why we see some sellers here piling up. And if buyers cannot take them out or try and fail, we are gonna see big reversal lower. Don't forget the gap is still open at 53.50.
Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,435.24 volume 90.
Okay, I sold 35, let's see now.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,437.25 cross 100.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 5,437.75 cross 100.
Algo is pushing higher here.
Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,440.09 volume 79.
As I said, they are trying to take the stops. Bids coming at 22 now.
Stop ESM 5 CME sell at 5,438.1 to volume 122. Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,441.9 to volume 89. Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,442.9 for volume 65.
We had the US existing home sales, but who cares? And here we go. 25 is coming. I am adding short here. 41.
Order filled.
And going for the figure now. One stop at 25 and then we go down to take liquidity at the VWAP.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,443.23 volume 58.
Market makers are up to 30 now.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,444.99 volume 138.
Buyers insist. We see Waller speaking. General tone is many companies are frozen by tariffs uncertainty. Okay.
Stock GCM 5 COMEX sell at 3,318.1 volume 233.
Gold also is falling. But I think it's by the dip, how to call it. And you as well, we see big order blocks building above. Let's see. Market makers waiting at 32, 33 now. I wanna see some stops taken here at 40, 42, and then we can add more shorts. Also another reason that I'm biased.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 54.45 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,446.5 crossed 100.
We are going for
Iceberg
50.
ESM 5 CME buy at 5,446.25 crossed 100.
I don't
Stock
believe Trump
ESM 5 CME buy at 5,445.76 volume
Trump
108.
will roll over that easily without taking what he wants. He wants lower yields. I'm gonna short 50 with full contract, full
Stock
yes.
ESM 5 CME buy at 54.49 volume 146.
Okay, give me 50. Come on. We almost hit 50. 49.
Iceberg GCM5 COMEX buy at 3,322.1 cross 150.
And here we go lower now. What was it, folks? Prepare to dive now. First target is 30.32.
Stock ESM 5 CME sell at 5,442.25 volume 54.
Let's see. Who has
Stock
this?
ESM 5 CME buy at 5,445.1 to volume 70.
We must not see now higher high, new high, and if we break 40, then move down to 30 will be quickly with stops. And here we go. Here we see the stops. Consolidating here before the next rip lower to 30.
Trade SOL USD TMB PERP at BMD sell price 150 point. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,447.1 for volume 57.
Let's see some stops here.
Trade SOLUST TMBPERP at BMD by
Don't tell me that we are gonna see 50. Before 35, I don't think so. Give me 35 first. Come on. Stops must be piling below 42. No stops. Come on. Feel the market makers are 31 at least.
Stock ESM 5 CME sell at
Here we go.
5,443.3 for volume 51.
Big stops are below 38 now, not here. This area down here. But we see the delta is positive. Green dots mean buyers are in control so far. Here we go higher again. I think we are gonna get 50. Okay, let me put sells at 50,
Stock
51.
ESM 5 CME buy at 5,447.61 volume 63. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at
Iceberg here,
5,448.9 volume 126. Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 54.49 cross 100. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,449.5 for volume 112. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,450.61 volume 220. Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 54.50 volume 102.
Market makers are in trouble at 43 now. Come on.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,454.75 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.55 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.55 crossed 100. Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,456.16 volume 111. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.58 crossed 100.
Let's see. I added one short here, 57. 35 now my target. I don't buy this rally. Soon Trump will put things in its place.
Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 5,460.42 volume 55. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,460.25 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 5,460.25 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,459.25 crossed 100.
Icebergs up here, meaning that sellers starting to prevail.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,460.5 crossed 100.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If it is coming,
Order filled.
And here we go.
Order filled.
Stock ESM 5 CME buy at 5,462.0 for volume 88. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,461.5 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5462 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5463 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5464 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5465 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5466 crossed 100.
Let's see.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5467 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5467 crossed 100.
Oh.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,466.25 crossed 100.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5468 crossed 100.
Big rip higher, but I think a correction is coming.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.66 crossed 100.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,470.25 crossed 100.
They go for
Iceberg
75.
ESM 5
Okay.
CME buy at 54.70 crossed 100.
I will sell 75.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,469.25 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.70 crossed 100.
Nasdaq also pushing the highs here. It's tough to go against the trend.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,472.75 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,474.25 crossed 100.
Okay, I'm selling 75.
Order filled.
And waiting now.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 5,475.75 crossed 100.
Give me 65.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 54.78 crossed 100. Stop ESM 5 CME buy at 54.78 volume 156. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,474.5 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 54.74 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,473.5 crossed 100.
Buyers are pushing here, but we are straight up 80 points since the opening with no correction. We go up at 45 now. Market makers are buying at 66 now. Remember, this started from 1520 and they went up 50 points. Crazy times. Okay, here we see the stops. Feel the market makers at 62 to go out. But I believe I move down to 38. It's coming. Those area here, I mean. Okay guys, I think we are done for today. More than 1 hour in the live. Okay, market is going down. Sorry, to fill the market makers, to bail out market makers at 60. Hey, here we go, exactly. And here, what I said. Exactly what I said. Market makers never lose. Now down to 50-55.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 5,467.75 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,467.5 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5467 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5465 crossed 100.
Order filled.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5465 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,464.25 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,463.5 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME sell at 5465 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5464 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,463.5 crossed 100.
Lot of icebergs. Same in NQ.
Trade ESM 5 CME at BMD sell price 5466.
19,050 is gonna get tested.
Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5464 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5,463.5 crossed 100. Iceberg ESM 5 CME buy at 5463 crossed 100.
Okay traders, see you all tomorrow. Trap is talking. Okay.